I'm Mr. Mutize, a mathematical literacy grades 10 to 12 educator. There are things we as educators, they seem very easy and simple to us. And we make the mistake of assuming that they are simple to you as well when we are teaching. And it has created problems and gaps in your understanding of mathematical literacy as a subject. But let me assure you, mathematical literacy is not rocket science. You can do this. Everyone has got different learning patterns, and we don't learn at the same pace. And there has to be a provision for all this. Now, because of that, I've created this channel to make sure that I use straight to the point tutorials, simplified, so that you can understand the concepts, the principles, and the formulas of mathematical literacy, irregardless of the level you are at. This can be done. I will also use my 15 years teaching experience of mathematical literacy and my 8 years experience as a final exams marker. I've discovered many mistakes that are common that you guys make. So in these tutorials, I'll make sure that I'll outline everything to you so that you are prepared for everything that you have to sit for. Guys, I want you to distress. There's no reason to stress yourselves. I want you to relax and make sure that I help you process this content in a way that works for you. Come on, guys, take a deep breath. Prepare yourself. Come, let us do this together. We can do it. See you in the next video.